Hey guys, today I want to show you how to add credentials in N8n. So first log in to your N8n account here. So here we have two options. You can either add a credential from going to personal on left sidebar and heading to credentials and click add first credential. So select the project you want to add credentials to. So continue, and here you have to configure the credentials parameters. Second option is to create credentials from when clicking plus button here next to N8n logo and this. Click on plus, head over to credential and select personal. Here we'll configure a personal credential, not a credential for a project. And hit person, and that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.